Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing hardware and entering pairing mode. Charge the Dual Shock 4 to a safe level and power it off, then enable Bluetooth on your PC so it can discover devices. Once done, press and hold the PS and share buttons simultaneously until the light bar flashes. This signals Bluetooth advertising. You do this because the controller won't appear otherwise. Make sure Windows Bluetooth toggle is active and keep the controller close to the PC to avoid pairing timeouts. You now complete pairing and ensure the system recognizes inputs. In Windows, open Bluetooth devices, choose Wireless Controller, and accept the connection. If a PIN is requested, enter 0000. Once paired, Windows may install generic drivers. However, for full compatibility, install Steam and enable Steam input or use Ds4 Windows to map inputs and rumble. You do this because native support differs across games. Make sure to update drivers and run the chosen utility with administrator rights to finalize controller mapping. You finish by verifying functionality and addressing common failures. Open Windows Game Controllers or Steam Big Picture to test buttons, sticks, triggers, and vibration. Recalibrate if axes are off. If Bluetooth drops, connect with a USB cable to isolate wireless issues and confirm drivers work. If pairing repeatedly fails, press the reset pinhole on the back for a few seconds and reattempt pairing. That clears stale pair data. Finally, make sure battery level is adequate and that Bluetooth drivers on the PC are up to date.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.